was up. These bitches couldn't stand me. Now these bitches call me daddy, call me what? I thought these bitches couldn't stand me. So we gonna need to screw these all on the corner. Okay, we got the screws off, so that's how it look under. All dirty and shit. More bolts. 5, I mean. Then you're gonna take this lid off. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we take it off. So in most videos, they don't cover this. When you get all the bolts off, screws, whatever you wanna call them, don't just rip it off, cause you're gonna fuck this up right here. You wanna either unscrew it right here. My dad just saved me. That's why it's good to have someone watching. So I finally clamped this off. That's harder than all this shit. And you're gonna take this off. It's gonna be right here, like some little fucking mount. So we're gonna unscrew this right here. Put this in right here. With this big bolt. Take that off. This thing right here. This tool. So far, this is what's happening. We still trying to make it fit. We finna drill a big hole. Finna get it right here, then we finna take those out, switch it up. Alright, we finally got it in. Drilled it. We taking this out now. We finna connect it. This shit took hours. And this is how it should look when it's done. Man, this motherfucker took forever because of this dumbass piece. So what happened is, look, I stripped the original fucking screw made for heat. So I'm gonna have to swap them out and then I'm gonna have to get a new screw. And then this was an easy fit. After that, now it's time to put this bitch back together. My shit damn near fall. My fault.